Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Rob, and we got some breaking tool news.
Crazy tool news day. We've got blades from DeWalt, 14 new tools from Ridgid, and most shocking of all, some high-vis vest and a fish tape repair kit from Milwaukee. Let's go. I know you guys want me to get to that sexy fish tape repair kit first, but then you wouldn't watch the whole thing. So we're starting with DeWalt, who announced 12 new large-diameter saw blades, claiming up to 3 times the life compared to their precision trim miter blades. So either their old blades suck and this one's better, or their old blades are great and these are amazing. I'll assume the latter, primarily due to the 214 5-star reviews that the old blade has on Lowe's.com. Now, the new blades include 10-inch blades in 24, 40, 60, and 80 tooth versions, and a 12-inch in 40, 60, 80, and 100 tooths general, finish, and ultra finish blades. They'll all start hitting the stores next month. Next up, Ridgid, Ryobi's older, more professional, and less popular brother, launched 14 new tools today, focused on their brushless tools that are designed to take advantage of their 18-volt max output lithium-ion batteries. That includes the new Ridgid 18-volt brushless 7¼ inch rear handle circular saw, which claims to cut faster than a 15 amp corded saw to the tune of 1 linear foot of triple stack 3/4 inch OSB per second. That's pretty fast. It's also the lightest rear handle in its class. Not sure who's in its class. He might be homeschooled, so take that with a grain of salt. But if you don't need a rear handle, wuss, they all announced the new Ridgid 18-volt brushless 7¼ inch standard circular saw that tops out at 5,400 RPM. They also announced a new Ridgid 18-volt brushless high-torque hammer drill driver with 1,250 inch-pounds of torque, and it's now more compact and lighter, which is always good. There's the new Ridgid 18-volt brushless 3/8 inch ratchet with 55 foot-pounds of torque up to 250 RPM. It also comes in 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch anvils. They say it's compatible with their new protective boots, which sounds pretty hot. Need something bigger? You heard me. This is the new Ridgid 18-volt brushless 4-mode 1/2 inch mid-torque impact wrench with friction ring. It delivers 650 foot-pounds of torque, has 3 speeds, and an auto-tightening mode. It's smaller than its predecessor and also compatible with a new protective boot they didn't show us. Besides the friction ring version, there's also a pin detent version with identical specs and boot style. Finally, Ridgid announced the new 18-volt brushless 4.5 inch paddle switch angle grinder. It claims 25% more power than things with 20% less power than it. Doesn't take a math magician to figure that out. 9,000 RPM, tool-free wheel and guard adjustment, and of course, a paddle switch as God intended. I tried to put paddle switch for life on a t-shirt, but as it turns out, paddle, switch, and grinder are not 3 words that work well together outside of our industry. Ridgid also announced a bunch of new subcompact brushless tools, starting with the Ridgid 18-volt subcompact brushless one-handed reciprocating saw, which is now 40% lighter and 25% more compact, presumably than its predecessor. A 7 1/8 inch stroke length, 3,200 strokes per minute, and best-in-class performance. Again, homeschooled? I don't know. There's also an itty-bitty Ridgid 18-volt subcompact brushless 6.5 inch circular saw, which comes in at a silly 5.4 pounds, 5,000 RPM, 2.25 inch depth of cut, and absolutely cute as a button. Rounding out the subcompact tools is this Ridgid 18-volt subcompact brushless 3/8 inch right angle drill, which has 375 inch-pounds of torque and optimized bit insertion depth. Yeah, Sarah wouldn't let me include the joke I wrote for that line. There were a few more 18-volt tools added, including an LED stick light, LED spotlight, hybrid panel light that looks like the whatever emoticon. There's a new 3/8 inch crown stapler, a job site radio with Bluetooth, a speaker with Bluetooth, a job site fan with hybrid power source, this new compact heat gun, and a compact hand vac. To power all these tools, Ridgid also announced an all-new 8 amp hour max output lithium-ion battery, a dual-port simultaneous charger, and a 6-port sequential charger. But let's be honest, you're not here for Ridgid tools or DeWalt blades. You're here for Milwaukee's insane new vest. This is the all-new Milwaukee AR/FR Cat 1 Class 2 and 3 high-visibility yellow safety vest, and if I say so myself, this dude is wearing the hell out of it. And that's not even his final form. Boom! Sleeveless vest. Who knew? These vests are arc rated and flame resistant, so they're perfect for that lineman who has everything. These are the first vests dedicated to the power utility crowd. They keep you safe without slowing you down. They have tent pockets, quick size adjustments, and durable pass-through slits for fall protection gear. They also come in breakaway design for when you get caught or snagged on something, or if you're looking to spice up your stage routine. The vests range from $99 to $160 and will be here in May. Now, if you've waited this long, prepare for the payoff, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Milwaukee Polyester Fish Tape Repair Kit. Perfect for any Milwaukee polyester fish tape or the M18 Fuel Angler 100-foot non-conductive polyester pulling fish tape. The threaded repair reinforces durability, extending the life of the tool. It includes non-conductive plastic tips and 2 flexible metal leaders, offering users versatility in repair or replacement options. Not gonna lie, I'm swooning over here. The kit will cost $9.99 when it arrives in May.